Hey there, so actually some while ago I bought this mini DC electronic load from Alientek, the EL15. It's this small device here, and one of the functionalities it provides is capacity testing, and I've been using here an old racing cell pack from one of my kids' remote car, and I charged this one, I discharged it, made the first measurement, I charged it with this one again, discharged it using the EL15, and yes, suddenly there was a beep and a bad smell, and the device turned off. The parameters I used were actually discharging it at 300 milliamps, and this device is prepared for 150 watts, so well within spec. It was powered, actually the DC load here was powered from a power socket USB, but here for the setup, for demonstrating the issue, I have two power banks. This one's the original USB supply cable Alientek provides you with this device, and when plugging in, it wakes up and then it's actually dead. Yeah, so not operational anymore. I tried it with another power source where it behaves different for some reason. I swapped the USB cables, like this one. Yeah, nothing. Now it seems to not even come up at all. And I noticed, like, this is they call it a USB detector, but actually it gives you the voltage and amp rating when connecting the device. And it's, drawing a serious amount of current, so 3 amps. That's not what it takes when this device is not operational. Normally it's around about 500 milliamps when operational with this cell pack for discharging. It worked fine for a time. Even the functionality for checking the DC resistance of the cell pack gave reasonable number for the age and capacity of this thing, but now, yeah, it's dead. I wasn't able to bring it back to life at all, and now it seems like it's even got worse, because even now the start screen doesn't even appear, and well, that's basically the issue. It was working fine from in the beginning, but yeah, from the specs, it's a decent device. If it would work, I'd like it. And capacity measurement of these small cell packs is, I think, the perfect use case for these devices. There's some additional, like constant voltage, constant current sink behavior configurable, but this is only what I've seen in the config menu so far. I didn't use it, and now it's dead. It was about $60, including shipment and taking care for customs and so on. But yeah, now it's an expensive brick for the trash. Thanks for watching.